Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want the cafe experience without having to leave the house, then you are going to love this espresso machine from YAAKOV.
As a former barista, it is really important to me to have high quality coffee items in my home. And this espresso machine has it all. It comes with all of the accessories that you need. And my favorite part is the automatic grinder. I love how intuitive this machine is to use. It is so easy with this great touchscreen, a really generous water reserve in the back so you can make a lot of drinks without having to fill it back up. And I have so enjoyed using this machine. I love that you can do regular espressos, cappuccinos, and that it also has an Americano setting where it will put the water in for you. I love how it is very sleek looking. It doesn't take up a ton of counter space, but it looks beautiful on my counter. I am so obsessed. I have been drinking a lot more espresso because this makes it so easy. It comes out perfectly every single time. What more could you ask for?
I'm so happy with this espresso machine. I have been wanting one like this for years, and I am so happy to have one in my home. I am completely obsessed, and you will be too. And that's my point of view.